How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center with my dad Randy, and this is a weekly mortgage update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So in terms of mortgage rates, there is still some 2.99% out there for fixed rates, although there is some upward pressure right now on banks to increase their rates, so that isn't expected to last very long because those rates are expected to go up. And in terms of variable rates, it's around 2.9%. There really hasn't been too much change there. I also just wanted to share some stats with you from Genworth. So when you buy a house with less than 20% down, no matter what bank you go to, normally the bank has to be insured by either one company is named CMHC, the other is Genworth, and there's a third one, but it's not as popular. So it's either CMHC or Genworth for the most part that insure banks when you have less than 20% down. So Genworth is one of those companies, and Genworth releases stats based on their borrower profile in the previous year. So from 2011, just to give you a rough idea of some stats on people that are buying a house in the Durham region with less than 20% down, the average income, household income, in Pickering would have been $83,000, in Ajax was $88,000, in Oshawa it was $84,000, in Bowmanville it was $87,000. Another interesting one is the average mortgage amount. So in Pickering, the average mortgage amount was $259,000, in Ajax was $270,000, in Oshawa was $228,000, and in Bowmanville it was $220,000. Another interesting one is the average age, or the percent of people that is less than 35 years old that are buying houses with less than 20% down. So in Pickering, 43% of people that bought a house with less than 20% down, 43% were less than 35 years old. In Ajax, 49% were less than 35 years old. In Oshawa, 50% were less than 35 years old. And in Bowmanville, 60% were less than 35 years old. Another interesting one is where people go to get a mortgage when they're looking to arrange a mortgage. So when they talk about the retail channel, that is the bank branch channel. So for people that go to a bank branch to get a mortgage, in Pickering, those people that bought a house with less than 20% down, 31% of them went to a bank branch in Pickering, 30% of them went to a bank branch in Ajax, 39% of them went to a bank branch in Oshawa, and 28% of them went to a bank branch in Bowmanville. Now, for those people that go to a mortgage broker to get a mortgage arranged, in Pickering, it was 55% went to a mortgage broker to get the mortgage. In Ajax, 49% of people went to a mortgage broker to get the mortgage. In Oshawa, 42% of people went to a mortgage broker to get a mortgage. And in Bowmanville, 53% of people went to a mortgage broker to get a mortgage. So just some interesting stats. If you have any questions on that, feel free to give us a call. The number at the office here is 905-436-8010. Thanks and have a great day.